let me pull this up on my thing so we can look at it together. Let's do some live Instagram sessions for all of you, so you guys can kind of see like firsthand what this looks like.
Wait, so Stefan, you said one at a time, or do you think I should just do like all at once? Like you know how Tom was like doing like two different messages at once, or do you think one message at once is better?
Like you can just send one message. I don't even think you can send two.
Oh no, I mean like one type of message, like a value message or a compliment. Like should I just send them both like simultaneously to all these people?
What do you mean a value and a compliment? Like
Like
elaborate.
for
What do you mean?
example, let's say it's this guy named Mike. I'm gonna
Yep.
send this Mike a compliment, and then Peter, I'm gonna send him a value proposition, and then
Like
I'm gonna
just try once at one time and see what the data says.
oh okay,
Like don't fuck around too much. Anyways.
yeah. I'm too
What
slow.
do you think about sending the looms, like personalized looms?
If people watch it can be good. Typically, the reason why I say that might be a little on the iffy side is just like getting people to actually watch them because there's just like friction with it, right? Like if people watch them, I think the looms can be good because you can leave pull the profile like, hey man, I just want to come in here and actually show you that I care enough about you to send you a personalized loom, right? And then you can just quickly go through your offer. I would test that. Let's put it this way: I would test that. That's something I would test. Anyways, let's go look at my inbox, look at my request, and let's go look at this one because it's the first one I opened. This is from today. What's cracking, Stefan? I'll keep this quick. The recent video made about how you make 5K in 14 days from scratch. Okay, so interesting, right? We got a bit of personalization, but I have a theory this is some like automated thing. So we'll see. Your content is educational and spot on. No extra editing needed. Interesting, because I agree with this take. But the one thing that stands out to me is your thumbnails. That's where I can help. I can't promise you millions of views, but can help you grow and scale. Offer. I'll make a free thumbnail for your main channel, and if you decide you're going to work with me or not, don't expect oversaturated college design. I see you can think simple. Okay, I'm going to reply to this because this guy understands me. If you guys aren't fucking watching my YouTube channel a lot, you'll know that I don't want editing. And I don't agree with the editing thing for at least my content and what I do. And the thing is, I'd argue a lot of you guys may like my stuff because there's no editing. It's just fucking raw value. Okay? This guy understands that. He also took my approach of I can't promise you millions of views, but I can help you grow and scale. He took my own approach against me, damaging missions. Good for him. Right? So his offer. Make you a free thumbnail for your channel. If you decide you're going to work with me or not, even if you decide, it doesn't matter. No strings attached. Okay? Don't expect oversaturated cluttered designs. I see you like to keep things simple, which is very, very fucking true. Once again, whether keeping it simple is the best or not, that's what I want. And people are going to buy what they want. So if he was going to edit me a stupid, shitty thumbnail, even if it was super good and edited, I wouldn't fucking buy. Why? Because it's not what I want. Remember, you're selling what the fucking person wants, not what is best for them. You're selling what they want. So what the fuck do they want? Well, I'll tell you this. I don't want someone to even do my thumbnails in the first place. But maybe this guy has some shit that I don't know about. So therefore, I'm interested. And I actually respect this message. Now, granted, if you want to take it one step up, I would have just sent the thumbnail. But he's trying to reserve his energy. Fair enough. Okay? Let's reply to this guy. Cool. Boom. Next. Look at that. First one's pretty good. Like here. Like, and then look at this. Do you think I'm going to reply to this message? And once again, for context, if we go back, this message was long. This is a pretty fucking long message. I'm on PC too. Imagine if I was on mobile, how long this message would be. Right? Long message. People will read it. Okay? Let's see. MD Islam. Granted, his picture's not good either. This guy's picture was good, right? For context, let's go back. I didn't even look at his profile, but look at this. He looks jacked. He's in the gym. No posts. I'll still reply. This guy looks fucking huge. Interesting. Surprised he's sitting there editing thumbnails. That's whatever. Okay. This guy. I have a quick question for you, Stefan Boss. Can I ask it here? No. Like, I don't even want to reply, right? Can you guys see why you wouldn't want to reply to this? Like, fuck off. Okay, what about this guy? This is already a huge turnoff, so I already know. I guarantee you this is copy and paste shitty editing message. Hey, Stefan, got across your channel, and the effort in your videos visible, but I think you need better thumbnails. So here, look at this boring compliment. It's so broad. It's copy and paste. Effort in your videos is visible, but I think you need better thumbnails to get more people to see the video. If you be interested in my service, I'm here to open any questions. I also can give you a test thumbnail. So get this. This guy offered the exact same thing as the other guy, but I will never reply to this guy in a million years. Do you see the difference? And guess what? His message is shorter. Why? Because the other guy put in effort, which I could tell. He was personalized and specific, and he understood what I wanted. This guy has no fucking clue what I want. I don't give a fuck about better thumbnails or your services or asking you questions. I don't give a fuck about that. Okay? So I'm not going to fucking reply. Fuck you. And his profile picture and this, fuck off, not a chance. Let's go to the next guy. All right? Asuma Video Editor. Terrible profile picture. This guy looks gay, so I don't want to do business with him, but hello, Stefan. Enter. No one texts like this ever, so you can guarantee it's copy and paste. I saw you on YouTube and love to edit your videos. You saw me on YouTube. Bullshit. I help Azul reach 100K subs and others to get more leads on YouTube. I don't give a fuck about this guy. I don't give a fuck what you did for him. I don't give a fuck what you can do. Here's my portfolio, as if I'm going to click on this fucking link. Okay? Let me know if you have questions. I don't give a fuck. No, fuck off. Fuck the fuck off. You could have got this guy. This could say 100 million subs. It could have said you made him a billionaire. I still would say fuck off. Why? What's in it for me? I don't believe it. What's in it for me? Like, you know what I mean? No one gives a fuck. Okay? This is obviously a bot message we all know, so we can go past. This girl I fucked last. I'm just playing. This is obviously a copy and paste. Here we go. Mohammed sad. He's sad because I didn't reply. Hey, where's my name? Can't even do my name. Would you be opposed to getting a free video similar to mine to show the value I can provide, generate 1 million client views? Like, if you want to edit me videos so bad, just fucking send me one. Like, yes, I will be opposed because I don't, like, why? I don't give a fuck. And you didn't put in any time. I don't care. Hey, you're probably busy, but just wanted to bump this up. Let's see. What's the blurred image? Not sure if you're playing hard to get or just blah, blah, blah. Not sure if you're interested at all, but we appreciate your reply. Like, I just don't really care. I don't really give a fuck. This guy didn't give a fuck enough to even put my name in here, let alone tailor the message to be applicable to me. So why would I give a fuck to reply? Right?
Can you look at his profile as well, just so we know how it looks like?
But even from the message, like just the message itself, how do I click on this fucking profile? Oh fuck, no, that's not it. Hold up, it's this stupid Fathom thing that's in my way. There we go, that's why. Let's see his profile. Coaches come to me to get consistent leads to show from.
We can see it actually.
Oh,
What?
here, boom. Now you can. Like,
But I mean, it's not like bad, you know.
no, it's not bad at all. But like, once again, you have to stand out. Like, you can see how many messages I get, and this is just.
But the message is shit. Yeah, that's.
Look at
that's
this. Like, are you guys seeing this? Like, look how many messages I have in here. Like, you think I'm just going to reply to everyone because you can make me a free video? No. You have to stand out. And I probably don't even get that. I don't post on Instagram, ever. My Instagram is only in my YouTube bio. Nowhere else you can find my Instagram. So I'm not even that fucking famous, right? Think about these guys who post on Instagram every single day, have a couple thousand followers more than I do, etc. You can see how bad it would be. All right, let's go through one more. Hey, Stefan, why are you putting a comma, bro? Like, this isn't a fucking, like, we're not writing pro emails here. Like, fuck off, okay? I'm a video and I've actually had some ideas that can level up your content. Are you interested? Like, if you genuinely have ideas and they actually were applicable to me, fucking share them. I'm not gonna take time with, yeah, bro, send me your ideas. Like, no, I don't give a fuck. Once again, no one gives a fuck about your portfolio. I'm never gonna click on this. And even if I did, like, what cool, you can edit some videos. I don't give a fuck. Okay? Do you have a Stripe account? Fuck off. Also, pitching the same people the same message 2 times like this, right? You see? Doesn't look good. Right? Like this just shows I don't give a fuck about you. You're another number to me. I could care less. Which is not a good way to get someone to reply. So even if this guy had a good offer, if I saw 2 of them, I know he doesn't give a fuck about me. Okay? Hey, Stefan, can I send you some appointment booking strategies that got me to 118 calls this month? No one else is doing this. I can see where he's going. It's better than the other guys, but like, I just couldn't really be bothered to say yes. Like, I don't know. I just don't really give a fuck. Woohoo. Somehow is magically going to book me more calls? Yeah, right. Maybe I'll say yes for the fuck of it, but I don't really care. Okay? Right? Same bullshit message. Can I just help some sort of double agency without signing new clients? Fuck off. Sunny. Yes, I am that guy from the supermarket. Sorry, honey. I'm taken. Thomas. We work with renowned entrepreneurs to get real inbound results from their content. So if you're aiming for more than the views, above might interest you. Like, tell me you're shit at marketing. Tell me you're shit at marketing. Sending these messages. Okay. All right, Stefan, diving deep into your content. Really love it. Really like the lifestyle content you're putting up on IG. Do I put lifestyle content up on IG? I think I do, right? Maybe? I don't know. I don't actually know. I don't ever post on IG. The last time I posted was like months ago. And before that, maybe years ago. However, from a video perspective on YouTube, I noticed some improvement that can be made. Okay, interesting because I don't have editing on YouTube, so fair enough. At least he looked. Okay, having proper intro visuals to really strengthen what you're saying, background music, design, spike emotion, all that made viewer engage. Here's the thing: is he's right? I just don't give a fuck. I don't want my videos edited. Why? Because my brand is me. It's raw and authentically me. Even though he's right about this, I don't give a fuck. Because the goal of my content isn't to spike your fucking dopamine. It's to educate you and show you the real side of me, so you can actually like me for who I am, not for my editing. So that's the goal of my YouTube. This guy doesn't understand my goal and what I desire. What I desire isn't video editing and it isn't fucking views. If people know me for me, and I guarantee you this, editing doesn't do that. How do I know that? I used to fucking edit my own videos. Okay? So not waste your time. I took your last videos and read it to show you the difference. I can bring your content. Would you like me to send this video? Right? So once again, don't ask. Just send it. If this guy really edited it, which he didn't, and we all know, he would have sent the video. He wouldn't say bullshit. Okay? And also this, all the best, Razavan. Like, fuck off. This isn't a cold email. This is Instagram. We're texting back and forth. We're not emailing. Stop with this bullshit formal stuff. Okay? We're on a very chill platform. So I'm gonna stop sharing. And there you go. You got a live Instagram roast session of why I don't reply to some of these people. Ritwan, why do you have a Smurf fucking dick in your mouth? Like, this is Leo 2.0. Leo, you better be fucking getting hard for this because he's been sucking on some Smurfs. Okay?
Leo, here,
But anyway,
bro. Here you go.
what that looks like a car. I don't even want to know what the fuck that
It
is.
looks
Anyway,
like a dick, bro.
it genuinely does. Like this, he literally cut off a Smurf dick and started eating it. But anyways, hold up.
All right,
There you go. Like that is literally from a consumer perspective why people would reply to some messages and not others. You notice out of all the DMs we went through, I replied to one, and guess what? That one was the one that I could tell the guy took time. He actually personalized it and he understood my desire and what I wanted. And as a result, I'm gonna reply. Okay, it's that simple. Yes, that took him time, but guess what? Out of all the people messaging me, he now got a reply. And so at the very minimum, he's now in my inbox folder. So he can continually message me now. Right? And since he had a good message, we had a good start to a relationship. Maybe he follows me. Maybe he keeps up with me. Maybe we get on a call. Right? Next thing you know, I have a guy doing my thumbnails. I don't fucking know. Maybe not. But like, there's only one way to find out. So yeah, that is live roasting some cold DMs. I love doing that. It's so much fun. I love just roasting people in cold DMs. It's so fun. And I hope it's educational for you guys as well. And like, even if you're not sending cold DMs, you can get an idea of like what makes people say yes, what makes people say no. And even if you guys ever get cold DMs, I don't know if you do, or if you get cold called, just listen. Like if you ever